Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting session on JavaScript. Today we are diving into an essential topic, function parameters. We'll explore different types of function parameters like default parameters, REST parameters with easy to understand examples. Let's get started. First, let us understand the basic. When we define a function, we use parameters as a placeholder to accept values. But when we call function, we pass actual values known as arguments. Here in this example, name is the parameter and Alice is the argument. When we call greet Alice, the function replaces name with its value, that is Alice, and prints hello Alice on the console. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine if we call a function without passing any arguments. What happens? Normally, JavaScript would result in undefined, but it also provides a solution, that is default parameters. With default parameters, we can assign a default value for function parameters. That way, even if no argument is passed, the function still works fine. Look at this function. When no argument is passed, guest was used as default value. When Alice was provided, the default value was ignored. And here is an important trick. If you pass undefined, the default value is still used. That is, it will give you hello guest. But if you pass null, the function takes null as the value instead. So be mindful of that while coding. Now let's talk about a really powerful feature, that is REST parameter. Sometimes we don't know how many arguments a function might receive. In such cases, REST parameter let us handle multiple arguments dynamically using 3 dots. Look at this example, where we calculate the sum of all numbers passed to the function. The number parameter collects all arguments into an array. We use a simple for loop to add them up, and if no parameter is passed, the function will return 0. Another important thing, REST parameters must always be the last parameter in a function. That means if you have mix of REST parameter and other parameters, you should give your other parameters in the beginning and at the end you should give REST parameter. Otherwise, JavaScript will not know where to stop collecting the arguments. Now you know how function parameters work in JavaScript. We covered parameters versus argument, default parameters and REST parameter with examples. These concepts help you write flexible and efficient functions in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.